Hey guys, what's happened? How to recover deleted timeline on Google Maps. You generally cannot recover permanently deleted Google Maps timeline data, but you can check for backup via Google Takeout. So go back to your screen and go ahead to your browser and just type Google Takeout. All right. In the Google Takeout, what you're gonna do, you can just hit the first option, right? Log in via your credentials, all right? And then what you're gonna do, look for data in my activity, right? So you're gonna find the Google Maps from here, right? Let's look it up somewhere. Yeah, right here. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just include the Google Maps from here, right? And hit next step, right? And you can send the data via email, or you can just add it to Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box, okay? And you can control the frequency. If you want to export it only once, you can just keep it on. If you want to export every 2 months for 1 year, you can just select the second option. In the file type, recommended to be zip, but if you prefer something else, you could choose TGZ, right? In the file size, you can control the file size. If you want it to be 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB, the output of your request might be delivered in multiple files. Okay, really depends on what Google service you actually want data from. Okay, in our case, we included maps alongside the Google's ecosystem. Okay, so hit create export, and I'm gonna wait via my email or Drive to be imported there. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.